Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I am Ryan Azur and I am your trainer. And today we're going to set up your workstation to start programming in C++, uh, using one of the most popular editors out there, which is the Visual Studio Code. Okay? So if you're new to C++ or just want a clean and development environment, you're in the right place. So we'll go step by step. Make sure everything is installed properly and ready for you to write, compile, and run your C++ programs. So basically, here's what we are going to cover in this recorded video. We are going to install Visual Studio Code. We are going to download and setting up the C++ compiler. We're going to do that using WinGW or MSys2. And then we're going to configure environment variable. We're also going to install the necessary extensions in VS Code. And then we are going to test it by writing our first C++ program. So, wait a minute. There you go, much better. So by the end of this video, you'll have a fully working C++ environment and you'll be ready to code confidently. So what are we waiting for? Grab your laptop, open your desktops, open your browser, and go to code-visualstudio.com/download to download Windows 10 or 11. Okay, guys. And let's now set up our environment. So after downloading, I have it here. Just double click. Of course, you accept. Next. Next. Don't create a start menu folder. I want to be created. I want a desktop icon. Yeah, I guess I'm good with it. Next, then install. And let's wait. Not forever. Don't worry. There you go. And then we're going to read the documentation, C++ installation in VS Code. Guys, this is what you're going to do when you're a developer. You're going to read a lot of documentations, a lot of guides, and as a developer, you should be able to know, number one, how to look for it, and then number two, how to understand and execute it. Okay, so this is all part of growing up. If you grow up, that's just a joke. So anyway, choose your theme. I want it a dark modern. Yeah, I'm good with it. Next section. Later na lang siguro. Mark done. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. So, C++ or Visual Studio Code. There you go. Let's install the extension which is C/C++. Yan po yung nasa sulat. So, how to install extension? Just wait a minute. Okay, sorry for the quick interruption, but I've just installed my drawing tools on this Hyper-V or on this virtual machine. So anyway, we are now going to install the C++ extension. So we're going to go to the VS Code. Just click this one. Okay, and then search C++. Press enter. And yeah, we are basically looking for this. The one with the 84 million downloads. Okay, and then click install and wait again. Life is all about waiting. There you go. Okay. haven't tried this before, but let me stick with the documentation. So, guys, again, I'm doing this live, no editing. I don't have time to edit, so please bear with me. Set up your C++ environment. We're done with this. Okay na tayo dyan. Check if you have a compiler installed. So, this one, I believe we do not have because I haven't installed it. This is a freshly installed, what do you call this, operating system, Hyper-V. So, this is a new machine. So, even if we check it, G++ dash dash version, there you go. There will be an error. Okay? So, yeah, we haven't installed this. So, let's install a compiler. So, we have, again, as what I have said, we have two options, either MSBC or MinGW. So, each of them have their own link. Okay? But if you're going to scroll down a little bit farther, down using the direct link to MinGW installer. So, we're going to click this one. And now, the end is near. There you go. It's downloading. There. So double click it. Run. Next. Take note of the installation folder. It's C MC64. Then next. Next. So I will have to pause it because it's just simply installing to save the time for our recording. Again, I don't have time to edit it, so I just simply pause it and then continue later. And after quite some time, we are now going to click finish. And scroll down in this terminal, install the MinGW, so I just have to copy it, then paste. Why is that copying? Let me try again. Yeah, it's not copying. So I guess another try. It's weird because on my workstation it's copying. I believe it should copy. There should be no problem with you on your workstation. pacman-s needed base dev, etc., etc. Enter. So again, you just have to follow the instructions. Accept the default by pressing enter. Okay? So we simply press enter and then clicking Y. And again, it's a waiting game. So while waiting, add the path of the MinGW W64. So you just have to copy this one. And let's wait. It will not take forever. I hope. Installation is always a waiting game. Yeah, so I guess I'll have to pause it again and then resume when it finishes. Okay, and now we're done. So again, I'll just copy this one and then environment variable. Okay, environment variables. We are being instructed to modify the user variables. So click the path, edit, then select new, paste. But there's no harm in including it in the system variable. Yeah. Okay, okay, and command gcc dash dash version. There you go. cd backslash gcc dash dash version on a different folder to check our if our environment variable is working. There you go, gdb dash dash version. There you go. So basically, we're good to go. And yeah, I'll close this one. I'll open VS Code, open folder. This PC drive C, uh, prog 1, ano maganda ilagay na folder? Demo code. And then under it, I'm going to create prog 1. There you go. Then select folder. Boom! Of course, I trust it. Click new file. And then 00 hello.cbp. CBP is the extension of C++. Okay? And then let me check it. Oh, there's an error. We have a red line. Yeah. Code 0, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. I believe we have to, what do you call this, to include this in our settings and configurations in C++, in VS Code. So I'll have to pause it again and then I'll try to look for the documentation or I'll try to look for my old config way back before and then I'll provide it to you guys. Wait a moment. Okay. The idea is that let's press Ctrl Shift T and then C++, edit configurations UI, this one. And then, yeah, I believe this is correct. We are having an error because we haven't specified our compiler path. There you go. G++, CM64, UCRT, bin G++. There you go. The error is gone. IntelliSense mode, Windows. GCC x64. Yan. I believe everything is now okay. Let's try to run this one. There you go. Hello world. Okay. So I hope everything now is okay. But let me just make a sample, another sample code real quick. Okay, guys. So I made a real quick demo with user interaction asking for the name. Let's try to run it. And there you go. What is your name? Ryan. Hello, Ryan. So yeah, I guess that's it. That will be your activity for you to be able to set up your own workstation utilizing VS Code. But then again, feel free to use or to utilize any IDE. But for the rest of the term, I will be, or for the rest of the topics, I will be utilizing VS Code. Okay? So that's it. God bless, guys. See you